Good morning, all of you. Here we'll discuss about the international trade. What is the trade? The exchange of the goods among the people, among the state, or between the countries is called trade. Anyway, trade is the exchange of the goods, which may be among the people, state, or the countries. The trade between the countries is called international trade. At the same time, the trade within the country is the internal trade. There are two components for the trade. They are the import and export. When the value of export is more than that of the import, that trade is a favorable balance of trade. That trade is called a favorable balance of trade. Once again, when the value of export is more than that of the import, that trade is called a favorable balance of trade. When the value of the import is more than that of the export, that is called an unfavorable balance of trade. A favorable balance of trade is always better for the country and for the development of the country. But in the case of an unfavorable balance of trade, is a loss for the country. There are many commodities which export from India, and there are many other commodities which import to India. Here we export gems and jewelry, chemicals and chemical related products, agriculture and allied products. We export to the different parts of the world. At the same time, there are many commodities which is exported to India, such as the petroleum and petroleum products, gems and jewelry, chemicals and related products, electronic items, machinery, agriculture and allied products. These are the things which is imported to India. Anyway, trade is the exchange of the goods among the people, states, or the country. If the exchange of the goods is between the countries, it is called international trade. If it is inside the country, it is an internal trade. Okay, now tourism. Tourism as a trade. Tourism can be considered as a trade. More than 15 million people are directly engaged in the tourism industry in India. More than 15 million people are directly engaged in the tourism industry in India. Tourism promote the national integration. That is very important. Tourism can promote the national integration. How? Tourism brings an opportunity to know about the lifestyles, the culture against each other. Tourism brings an opportunity to know about the lifestyles, the culture against each other. That's why to promote the national integration. Anyway, the tourism provides local handicrafts and cultural pursuits. The tourists buy the local handicrafts which support the people who are engaged in the handicrafts production. Many tourists are ready to visit our cultural programs, which can give more support for the people engaged in the cultural programs. Also, tourism can help for an international understanding about our culture and our heritage. Many tourists from the different parts of the world come to India only for understanding our tradition and heritage. Many tourists come India for eco, to enjoy our ecosystem, to know our heritage culture, to get the treatment from the medical institutions. Sometimes some tourists coming for the business. So our tourism can be classified into heritage tourism, ecotourism, adventure tourism, cultural tourism, medical and business tourism. Okay. So tourism can be considered as a trade. More than 15 million people are directly engaged in the tourism industry, which can promote the national integration. Also, it can support the our local handicrafts and cultural pursuits. Okay, thank you everyone. Watch the video again and again. Okay, you can ask your doubts.